Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Geek. For batch of 2023, there is an amazing opportunity by Cisco. As I already promised in today's video, I'll be sharing the details about this. I'm here. As you can see, Cisco is hiring 2023 batch graduates. Though right now, I guess it's first or second opportunity for the batch, as it's just in the beginning of the placement session. So before beginning, get to know about some good companies, shortlist your companies, get a hands-on experience, view various interview experiences, how they recruit, get into it, start applying. Don't consider yourself as to be rejected initially. I have seen many people who consider like they are from tier 3 college, so they don't go up for recruitment, or they feel like they aren't a fit in that company. So don't consider yourself inferior, try it out. Sometimes you never know how things go on, because basically you're judged for your skills. Okay, so let's see what this company has for you all. And yeah, if in case any queries regarding this, then do let me know. So for this particular video, it's totally about the job description, how to apply and what to do. In the coming video, I'll be telling about the recruitment process once it begins, because I have to go up with the important questions, bring the best of it for you all. Okay, and do share it with your friends, your colleagues, your juniors, anyone you have who is going to be a part of 2023 batch. Do that, and you will be seeing this particular link where to apply in the description box too. If you want to know more updates regarding any upcoming jobs for your batch and any other batch, do join my Telegram channel. The link would be there in the description too. Okay, let's see. So the profile they are giving is the software engineer, and there are three particular software engineer departments. One is a network engineer, then embedded systems engineer, and an application developer. So these are the three profiles they're hiring for in one, and it's basically for new grad. So anyone from other batch, please don't apply, you won't be considered for it. If you want to search this job initially on their page, you can do that too by using this job ID or the name. Okay, and the location for this is Bangalore. Now seeing to what it has, as I said, it has for three. One is network, then application, and then embedded systems. So for network protocols, so basically if you talk about this particular profile, that's as the name suggests, it's regarding the networking routing profiles. Okay, so the basic thing that you should be knowing about is CN, that's computer networks. You need to have your hands-on experience with CN, a good understanding about all the topics like TCP, IP switches, routers, debugging, firewalls, and everything. Okay, then you must be aware of more than one development environment, at least one. Okay, then obviously testing inclination should be there. Then they should possess a great problem solving skills. So this is for each and every profile they'll ask you. Now let's take for the second one. Before that, just remember this networking is basically for computer networks, and I have seen many students who consider these four subjects are nothing. Only the DSFR is important, but it's not like that. It's like you should be aware of these topics, because in interviews many a times these core subjects play an important role. It's not just the DB that works. So you have to be aware of OS, you have to be aware of computer networks too. Talking about the second, that's the application software. So application software, you should have one strong programming language. That's something you should. Then you should have a great understanding of OOPS, object oriented design and programming. You should be able to know, or you should have the ability to think about scaling the applications to the cloud, basically GCP or AWS. Then you should have basic understanding of open source. That's a great thing. And if you are into Flutter, Android, or anything, then obviously that is a big plus to you. So for anyone who has done this, can come up with it. So exposure to debugging application programs, this is also a thing. Then interest in you into like user experience, UX and UI. So this is what basically a front end person would be requiring. Then obviously development skills, problem solving skills, excellent troubleshooting and debugging in all. They want some of part of it that you're aware of, some experienced part. Okay, so development should be there. Then talking about the third profile, they are asking, that is the embedded and system development. So if you talk about embedded and systems development, so solid understanding of computer science fundamentals and software engineering. You can see all three require some specific things, so you know which one is good for you. Okay. Then strong knowledge of programming, again scripting languages somewhere like Python. Then kernel programming should be there. You should have strong fundamentals of operating systems. OS should be well known as it's embedded systems one. Then fundamental to system level debugging should be there. Strong programming, and then should possess creative problem solving. So this is something they require in each and every profile. As an SDE, this is one of the important concepts you are required to know. So these are basically the three things they are hiring for. Now talking about what do they require for you, like what's are the shortlisting criteria. Okay, so for shortlisting criteria, first let's talk about your degree. So either your BE, BTech, MCA, BCA students. So what you should have: computer science as your major, computer engineers or electrical engineers or related majors like IT is also there, such as maths, physics. They are applicable. Talking about your CGPA, so only the ones who are having a minimum of 8.5, that's 8.5 and plus CGPA can only be applicable. So that's what it happens to people who say that college marks doesn't matter. They do matter. Keep in mind that when you are studying, for all those who are right now in the college, like for the batch of 2024 and 2025, so you guys have entered the college right now, you guys must be hearing that you should just have skills. So skills is not just important, you should have that mindset in mind that you need a specific level of GPA to apply for good companies. For premium companies you require that. And yeah, obviously try to make it backlog free. Okay, that's somewhere a requirement for many companies, that you should not have any existing backlogs. Okay, then requirement is only for 2023 batch. So 2022, 2024, please don't try to increase the number of data for them, because obviously you're not going to be selected. They are filtering it out for 2023 only. Solid understanding of computer science fundamentals and software engineering with an aptitude of learning technology, strong knowledge of programming and scripting languages. Again, you should have some good understanding of problem solving, software engineering, computer science fundamentals, that includes OS and CA. Possess creative problem solving skills, again the same, and debugging skills. Experience in establishing and sustaining excellent relationships with the team. That's what team coordination is. They want as a person. So if you talk about these minimum requirements, so this is not just for this particular company they require. This is what each and every company demands for. For companies, only the CGPA changes, and rest almost these things go off with the same. Talking about the recruitment process. So recruitment process for this is an MCQ round, two TRs, then managerial, and then HR round. So it's a five-step process. So this five-step process, the initially you have to submit your resume. Your resume gets shortlisted, then this comes to here. So for now, guys, apply to the link which I'll be sharing in the description, or you can directly search it on their website. Apply, create a very good resume, have those skills. Don't add some fake projects until and unless you know about them. Be clear about it, and then obviously, if you get shortlisted, you will receive a link for this MCQ round. Talking about the salary, so the CTC is around 22 lakh per annum. So that's a really high package if you are a fresher. Then so please go and apply here. If in case you need any help, like any other thing you want me to help you out, I'll be there to help you out in every particular way. Try to connect with me on comment or in the social media, that's the Telegram channel. I'll be sharing the link. Talking about this MCQ round and the recruitment process further, so I will be creating another video that will contain all the asked questions, how people who cleared it, the interview experience, and everything that comes up in it together, so that I give you the accurate data and that helps you in studying. So initially, for now, I request you all to please apply. If you have any doubts while applying to it, Let me know in the comment box and do share it with your friends. And if in case you need any help in the upcoming round, so just give me some time. I'll collect some good data and give you that correct data for applying. Till then, keep following Tech Geek and yeah, share it with all of your friends. Thank you.